What happened to my son, Dule?
Mom, I am so hungry. Mom, I am starving.
Okay, you are starving. Please wait, I am bringing some food to you. Take these 2 pieces of cake. You have one and another for your younger brother Ajad, okay?
Okay, Mom. Thank you. I will have one and another I will give to my younger brother Ajad.
Okay, very nice.
I will have only one. And this one I will give to Ajad. No. I will not give to Ajad. I will have everything. And I have to finish everything before Ajad comes.
Bro, where is my cake? Once I see I give you my cakes. Please give me my cake, bro.
Jali, bro. I was so hungry. So I had everything. There is no cake for you.
Mom, where are you? What happened? Why were you crying, Azad?
Mom, Dule bro ate everything that you gave him.
Why did you eat everything, Dule?
Sorry, Mom.
Okay, don't cry. I am giving you 2 rasgullas. Enjoy it.
Yes, mom.
Ajad bro, may I get one please?
Okay.
Open your mouth. How was the taste of Rasula? Did you taste it?
No. Hello dear friends, what did we learn from this small story? We learned from this story that sharing is caring. If Duleswara had given one piece of cakes to Azad, Azad would have given to Duleswara also. So, people should not be greedy. Sharing is caring. Thank you so much. Namaskar. Please like and share.